Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can download Google Play Store on iOS. So make sure to watch the video till the very end. And let's begin. First of all, launch your favorite web browser. Next, search Play Market into the search bar and navigate to the official Google Play website. Now simply tap this needed button at the screen base and scroll until you locate the Add to Home screen option. Once found, proceed by clicking on it. Subsequently, choose an input desired display name and input Google Play Store. After that, tap Add in the upper right corner of the screen. At this point, you leave the app on your screen to access the Play Store. Simply tap the designated icon and you are ready to explore and download any games or application, even on iOS. So that's basically how you can download Google Play Store on iOS. So that's all for this video. Hope you liked the video. Thanks.